Hey guys, Tasha Marie here. I just wanted to show you something really quickly in your Seller Central account that could help people who are getting stuck in places to know where to find those videos that I posted earlier for Cindy. So I'm in my Seller Central account, and you know you have all these things up here. If you go and hover over Performance and go to Seller University, the page will reload, and you'll see that you have access to all these things. So obviously we're doing fulfillment by Amazon. I mean, there's a lot of other things available to you, but these are videos that will show you how FBA works and your shipping and label requirements, and I think most of them have video modules that go with it. So this is where you find it. Inside, you have to be logged into your seller account and Performance Seller University, and that is where you can find a bunch of information. I haven't actually typed anything in the search bar. Let's see what happens if we do. If we type in shipping, see what comes up. Alright, it brings up a whole list of things that may be able to assist you in that. So that is how you get to Seller University in your Amazon Seller Central account. I hope that's helpful for some of you, and have an awesome day.